Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ecobee smart thermostat service fees in USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw ecobee smart thermostat service fees in the USA, start by accessing your ecobee account. Log in using your credentials on the ecobee website or app. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for the billing or payment options in the menu. Select the service fees tab to view your current charges. Review the fees associated with your ecobee services. Identify which service fees you want to withdraw. Click on the withdraw or refund option next to the selected fees. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal request. Enter any required information, such as reason for withdrawal or payment details. For any additional inquiries, contact ecobee customer support directly. Save any confirmation emails or messages regarding your withdrawal. This confirms the processing of your request. Check your bank or payment account for the refund after a few business days. Monitor your ecobee account for any changes in your billing statement. Be sure to keep a record of this transaction for future reference. If there are any issues, reach out to customer support for assistance. Follow their guidelines to ensure a smooth resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.